Okay, let's do some hands or some paws. See, right now he doesn't have anything going on, so let's jump into that. It's gonna be a very tricky one. I'm gonna use the grab brush. Press F to decrease the brush size, and I'm gonna grab 4 of these guys, like so. So you can do it in many other ways, but I just chose to do it this way. I'm gonna give him very big hands. Right now, we're gonna rely a bit more on the remission part. Snap that, press F. Just gonna pick this up a bit. And then press F, decrease the brush size. Just pick it up again. Move out of that. Again, it's looking way messy. F, decrease the brush size. If I press Ctrl R to remesh, just to re-subdivide, and I'm just going to pull the last one. Probably just give them 5 claws or something. I don't know what you can call them. Like that. Press Ctrl R to remesh. Press I to inflate a bit. And then I press Ctrl R again. And can press G again. Shouldn't come in now. And just re-control this. It might look a bit more neat. So just using the grab brush to just move these where I think they're supposed to be. Obviously this is very tricky. Again, remembering what we have here. So what I'll do, I'll probably grab the clay strips and I'll start, press F, probably F again, just sculpting these now, those knuckles and stuff. Shift to smooth it out. Come in the side also. Just give it some big knuckles. Smooth it out again. Like the bigger the claws or whatever you want to call it he has, the more scarier he gets. So I'm trying to build that for him. So come to the bottom, probably give him some mass over here and here. Press G and use the grab brush just to realign some of this again. F to decrease the brush size. Yeah, just give it that. Press R to inflate and press Ctrl R. G, and use the grab brush. And I'm going to press Ctrl S to save. And we have our basic paws going on, which could be used as a base, but then I kind of like how he has like almost human hand gesture with a mix of a creature. I'll probably just pick this thing up with Control hold Alt to snap, or just realign it in the X-axis so it actually is sitting on the floor. If you wanna, you would do these all over again, but then I believe I can go out of sculpt mode, go to object mode, click your object, and I'm just gonna do Shift D to do a copy, press escape to exit. So we have a copy of this, press Shift H to isolate, and I'm just gonna do a selection, go to edit mode, control and tab, go to edit mode, and press Z wireframe, select these guys, hold on Shift, click and drag and select this, and then press X to delete vertices, and then control and tab, go back to object mode and exit wireframe to solid mode, and Shift and Alt or Option H to show everything, and press G to move, and press escape. Select one of this, the hand, G to move it, press Y to move it on the Y axis, like so. And we should probably just zoom in over here, GY, like so, and select this guy, go to sculpt mode, looking for box trim. So I'm just using my mouse, box trim, click, select and drag, just to trim this area and just cut it off, as you can see now, like so. What we want to do, go to object mode, grab this guy, press G and X to move it in the X-axis, and I think we probably should scale this one up, press S to scale, press G again. So I need to select them individually, so I need to go to edit mode, control and tab, go to edit mode, select the wireframe mode, select this guy, press G and X, okay, escape. I select a lot of vertices, G and X again. Why is it doing that? I wonder why. Let's select, I think I have X symmetry. Turn off X symmetry, Alt to snap, press G and X to move that inwards, and this guy, press Z to go to spec to solid mode, and I'll probably just scale these guys down, just as press S to scale, and then press Z to scale it on the Z, and then press S to scale again, just that it aligns over here. So we want to join everything, so like that. Go back to wireframe mode, select this patch, go back to solid mode, press S to scale. I'm gonna go a bit faster, press S and Z to scale it on the Z axis, G and X to move it again, around about over here. And then I'm gonna go back to object mode. Now I can move these ones, the G and Y, just move them backwards a bit. S and Y, just scale. Okay, escape. Set origin to geometry. So when I scale, this dot will be here. Now when I press S and Y, it's going to scale like so. S and Y. Okay, so I press G and Y, move it on the Y axis. Sorry if I'm going a bit faster, guys. Just for us to get this going on now. So what I'll do is just gonna merge these, Control J and Control R. go back to sculpt mode, and I'm gonna go face set visible, and I'm just gonna press I for inflate, F to decrease the brush size. I just inflate these, just trying to join them together. Inflate this guy, press X for symmetry now. I'm just gonna inflate again, and I'm gonna press Ctrl R. And look what we have. We have our paws now, or our hands on the other side without resculpting it all over again. It's kind of like a quick workflow to get these going on. So yeah, so that's it for our feet, or paws, or whatever we want to call it. And I will see you guys in the next lecture.